Snowflake Summit, one of the biggest IT conferences in the world. Massive crowds, giant booths, and free swag flying basically everywhere. But the big question is, was it worth it? I just got back from Snowflake Summit 2025 at the Moscone Center in San Francisco. And in this video, I will break down what it actually looks like. Whether you are technical or business focused, this is something you definitely want to watch before you attend. Before we get into features and takeaways, here is something that surprised me. There were so many Snowflake competitors at the event, like a lot. Even though I expected that, it was still surprising to see all these companies fighting for your attention, and even Snowflake itself. If you work in data, this wasn't just a Snowflake show, it was rather the entire data ecosystem in one place. Let's talk about the Expo floors. There were two main ones, the Partner Expo and the Snowflake Expo. So the Partner Expo is where you meet the vendors, from well-known names like Imuta and Sigma to startups and consulting firms. They are all eager to grab your attention, especially if they spot your customer badge. If you are building a modern data stack or just want to see what's new, definitely spend time here and talk to the vendors. And the second one, the Snowflake Expo, is all about Snowflake. Live demos, mini games, and instructors walking you through features. I saw people asking questions and getting hands-on help right away. If you are curious about a specific area, this is a great place to explore. Then there is the Keynote. I would call it the main event. And yes, you have to go. This is where they announce new features, the future direction of the platform, and the big names like Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, on the stage. It's a part product update, part show, and it sets the tone for the whole conference. Next, Breakout Sessions. They range from deep technical dives to business-focused talks. Some are fantastic, others, to be honest, not so much. And my tip is to check the speaker, not just the title. The person presenting makes all the difference. Some Snowflake engineers deliver deep, detailed sessions, and others will just light product overviews. Also, space is limited, so you need to plan ahead because once a session fills up, you can't get in. Let's talk about the hands-on labs. These are live guided quick starts. Basically, step-by-step tutorials using Snowflake. So picture this, 200 people, laptops open, 90 minutes of coding. It's a great idea, but as you can guess, it can be risky. And why? It's because if you are missing a tool, a library, a permission, you are stuck. Even with tons of support around, some sessions just get messy because some of the topics require initial setup, and not everyone is prepared. So my take is this: if you are curious about a feature and want to try it live, go for it. But if you are tight on time, you can just do quick start at home instead. Then you've got the Theatric sessions. These are short and usually customer-led talks focused on real-world use cases. They are more high-level and less technical. So I'm not going to lie, as a data engineer, I'm probably not a target of these sessions. But if you are looking for broad overviews or business stories, they can be useful. And now the best part for me, which is networking. I met so many smart and inspiring people like the engineers, architects, Snowflake team members. Is like really hard to count. Networking on such conferences is super easy because you don't find random people there, and most of the attendees are there for networking. And also, Snowflake organizes region-based networking events. So if you go next year, don't miss those. And of course, the after parties. The after parties are worth it. That's actually where I met the Snowflake founders. No slides, no formality, and just the great conversations over drinks, of course. And that moment alone made the trip worthwhile. But if you don't want to pay for a full pass, Dev Day is free, more focused on startup and students, but still super valuable. It's a smart way to get a taste of what the summit is without the full price tag. Also, if you are a data superhero like me, you get access to a private lounge, bonus swag, and even some media interviews. Feels like a little behind the scene experience. The thing I wish you know before the event are the certification discounts. Snowflake offers a huge discounts to take your exam at the summit, especially for the advanced exams. So if you are already preparing, consider taking it during the summit. And on top of that, for every certified person, there is some free stuff to get. The more certifications you have, the more you get. Simple as that. Was Snowflake Summit worth it? I mean, I guess you already know the answer. Definitely it was. If you work with the data, you will always find something interesting on site. It doesn't really matter if you're highly technical or not. I know the price can be high, but there's plenty of discounts before the event, so definitely you can get it for a couple $100 cheaper. And if you were at the summit already, what was your favorite part? Drop a comment below, and I would love to hear that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Snowflake Summit. Ciao!